Hey, ho ho, ha ha. Alright everybody, how's it going? Now then, this episode, or this week, or whatever it is, I'm going to go back to the electric motorcycle. And this episode is mainly about, I went on eBay and I was looking for a cafe racer style seat, because I want to chop the back end down, make the bike a bit shorter. And I found an eBay seller who makes cafe racer seats specific for certain motorcycles. So they're sort of, custom made for certain size motorcycles. And it came in the post. It took about 4 weeks actually. Cost a few quid as well, but the quality's pretty good. But the only thing is, I've got to cut down the back end more, and it comes with a hoop. You've got to install it. It's not good me waffling on. I'll have to show it to you. So I'll go and get it and show it to you and crack on with the video. Ho-hoi! Right, so here we are in the shed. Might be a bit of a funny angle because the shed's a bit small. So anyway, bear with me. Right, so here is the seat I was talking about, and it's a cross stitch. I'll take it off in a minute. I've cut by here on the old frame, but I've got to cut it down further here and back a bit further there. I'll show you where now. Just wait 1 minute. There we go. Right. So it comes with a hoop and a clang. It comes with a hoop. It comes with a light that goes in there, right? And that hoop has got to go down there, sort of like there, but there, if you know what I mean. And it comes with two of them. So these go inside that bar, and inside this bar, then you go across the top, weld it all up. And if I take this off here, like this, if you can see under there, look, that goes under the front of there. I'll try and make some sort of clamp for that. Then this bit here, that's bolted, that gets welded onto the hoop that's going to be on there, if you know what I mean. And that's all part of the kit. I got the LED light somewhere as well. And so I'll insert a clip now of me cutting this part off here, because you see that's smooth there now. And I've got to, if I put this down there like that, it's hard to show you from this angle, but that's got to be cut. So it's got to be cut, I think it's down there and through there, like that. I'll insert some footage over so you can see what I mean when I'm pointing. But it's got to be cut along there like that. And so once it's been cut there and through there and on there, then you've got to weld this on to the in there. I haven't got a welder either at the moment, so I'm either going to get a welder or try and find a mobile welder maybe that can come around and do it for me. So there's the actual seat. Look, I'll show you the seat. That's that aluminium base riveted on, and it's got a nice crosshatch, and the taper outlook matches the taper on the frame. So when it's all welded up, it'll all fit in lovely. That'll be in there like that. Obviously the hoop will be coming up around here, or it'll be triangulated coming down there, and I'll try and think of mounting this somewhere in the front as well. And that was £245 delivered, but it took about 4 weeks. It does take a while, mind. But if you look on the eBay website, I'll leave a link in the description. It does show you different motorbikes. I'm not sure if he doesn't. Obviously, I don't think he can do every single motorbike, but they're pretty good. You might think it's expensive. I don't know. I think £245 for a custom made seat is not bad at all. But like I said, I won't be cutting anything off now because it's December. So I did that bit there. I cut it off, grind it down. I painted a bit of black on, stop it rusting over the winter. But it's a bit cold and damp and dark outside to be cutting stuff up now. But so that's as far as I've got so far. I don't know if you can see the rest of the bike is coming together. Got the foot pegs on, got this, that, the other. I need to obviously get the motor, batteries and a controller and stuff like that. But this is as far as I got on the bike now anyway. So anyway, as a quick update on the seat, I will be chopping it off, putting that in there like that. And I don't know if I go a bit closer there, you can see the LED sits in there. Obviously this will be painted black. I'm thinking when I've finished the frame, I'll strip the whole bike down and I'll take it over to Bristol. There's a powder coat is over in Bristol. I'll take it there and get it all powder coated. Once I finish doing all the fabrication work on the frame, I'll get it powder coated in a nice satin black, I think. But anyway, that's as far as I've got so far. Hope you're enjoying the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Ho hoi!